2010 Chrysler Sebring Limited Convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. One owner car, clean Carfax, actual miles, just a little over 47,000 on this one is all. Actually titled in South Dakota its entire life. Adult owned and driven, well maintained, a summer use car only, and it shows. 3.5 liter V6 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Should be a 6-speed automatic with overdrive. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's take a look at this front fascia. See what kind of shape it's in. As you can see, very nice shape. Inferno red metallic paint. Interior is the dark khaki with light gray stone. We'll get to that in just a second. You can see on the hood, nice condition, and the reason for that, it does have the 3M style front end protector, so it's not all full of rock chips. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this one, folks. It's a retractable hardtop, so you can see the hardtop up and down in the still pictures, and we're gonna show you how that operates here in the video, as well as take this car for a drive. But first, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, the chrome wheels. Tires have plenty of tread left and were put on in 2020. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of major nicks, dings, scratches, anything like that. You may find an imperfection here or there, and if I kind of see them, I'll try to remember to point them out. Interior, of course, leather seats, buckets up front, center console. We'll get around to some of the options and some of the equipment on this car here in a second. The still picture that are online of this will have the window sticker, so if you want to see exactly how it's equipped, that is in with the still pictures. It will come with a windscreen as well as a car cover. I also want you folks to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, the limited badging for the trim level of this car, nicely equipped. On that window sticker, you will see that this car does have the stability control system. It has the 6.5-inch touchscreen media center. So that tells you it's going to have the GPS navigation as well as the 30 gigabyte hard drive with 4,250 song capacity on it. Still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like the retractable hardtops, looking for a convertible, maybe just like Chryslers in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or off our showroom floor if you may see us in person. Now, I said I was going to point out a few things. You might have a little small, just little rock chip or maybe an imperfection. This actually has the 3M tape along the door edges also, so they're not all chipped up. I did want to point out one spot I remember seeing, I think it was back here, just a couple little imperfections in the paint, and that's being awful fussy on this car. It is in nice shape. It will not disappoint. All right, let's move on to this interior and show you this a little bit. Again, one owner, clean Carfax, just a little over 47,000 miles. Of course, your modern amenities that you're going to have with power locks, power mirrors, power windows, power seat over here on the driver's side. Leather interior. Buckets, of course. 4 passenger seating. Cruise control. Power top. That is a retractable hard top. There's your exact miles, 47,151. It's fired up so you can hear it run. So gauges, that was a cold start. Wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up, fuel gauge working. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. The only light that's lit up is the seatbelt light, due to the fact that I do not have my seatbelt on. There's that 6.5-inch touchscreen we talked about. And again, that is the media center. Chrysler considered it. Heated seats up front. AC blows cold. It'll show you right out of here. Top of the dash looks good. Slip around to the back. Late model car, not like it's gonna have any crazy exhaust. Runs nice and smooth, sounds good. Quiet. The way you'd want this one. Let me slip up to the front. I'm gonna pause this just real quick. I can get this hood open, show you the engine bay, then I want to show you the hardtop functioning, and stick around to the very end of this video. We'll take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood, hood liner, you can see pretty much spotless. This car has not been driven in climate weather, no dried salt, debris, grime from the road, anything like that dried on it. And then take a look at how clean this engine bay is. What you'd expect with a low mile, well-maintained, clean Carfax car. And one owner. No surprises underneath there, folks. All right, let me get this hood closed up, get a tripod set up, and I'm going to show you the top functioning and going up so we can check out the condition of that, and then I'll show you it going down. The top function works great going up, even rolled up the side glass for us. And then as far as condition, shows like the rest of the paint. Again, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, you have the rear glass window, rear defog. And I don't remember earlier if I mentioned this does come with a windscreen that you'll be able to see in the still pictures. And maybe I'll show you that at the very end of the video when I put this top down, and a car cover too. Just wanted to make sure I mentioned that. Couldn't remember if I did or not. So convertible top up, nice shape, nice condition. And let's check out the function of it going down. So there is a key fob here, and there is a button on it for the top going down. What you want to do is you want to make sure that the car is unlocked. Push the unlock button once, and we're going to push this top button once and then push it again real quick and hold it, and we'll see if we can get this top down with the remote. And then you must push and hold this top button and it will go down, doing it all with the remote. Okay, got the windscreen in here. This folds up and fits in the trunk, by the way, very simple to put in. Of course, that'll help you kind of from the wind buffeting. Drivers in the front seat if you don't have passengers in the rear with you, and put it in. Pretty simple. And again, you'll be able to see still pictures from different angles, get a little bit better idea of it. But there it is installed. So one owner, clean Carfax, low mile, 2010 Chrysler Sebring Limited, retractable hardtop, 507-386-1726, number to call, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2010 Chrysler Sebring. This is a hard top convertible. That would be a power hard top. Push of a button. And we do have the top up today. This is an automatic right here in the center console. You also have the option of bump shifting it up and down. Nice smooth running car. Temperature gauge is just a little under half, and the fuel gauge showing 3/4 of the tank. Speedometer is working well. Factory tachometer on the right, also working well. Radio in the dash. That is working as well. AC's blowing cold as we speak. Nice smooth ride down the highway, easy to steer. Cruise control is set and functioning. Nice kind of a cream color on the inside, maybe beige. Contrasted with that burgundy exterior, looks good. Excellent power steering, very easy to steer. This car corners nicely, it doesn't lean very much in the corner. Some decent power when you put your foot down, and the kick down does work on that automatic transmission. Nice, quiet, smooth running, modern convertible. Take a look at all the pictures, learn more about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.